So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. If you're my old subscriber, you're also very much welcome. You know that you're always welcome. So guys, today I'm just going to do a haul, just some few things and show you what I got. I also got a ring light and I'd like to show you how it looks like and where I got it and how it works. So you guys enjoy watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. So you guys, I bought a sweater. It's kind of a sweater cardigan in Zalando, and it's just arrived. So I'm going to open it with you guys and we see what we have inside. It was on sale and I thought, it's summer, but sometimes in the evening here in Holland it's a little bit chilly. So I thought, you know what, anyway, I will even wear it in the evening. So this is how it looks like, and I can wear it. It's so beautiful. I can wear it in the evening or the days that it's rainy, and I can also wear it during winter. So, and it was on sale. It was 50% off because it was like 50 something, but then it went until 20 euro, something like that. So I thought, you know what, let me just pick it up, and then so guys, this is how it looks like. Oh wow, it's an off-shoulder cardigan. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look how it looks so cute. I can't wait to put it on. And it has long, very long sleeves, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so cute. Love it. I can't wait to put it on. I will show you guys. And I took the size. This is it's from the, let me show you guys. It's from Missguided. So it's from Missguided, and I took the small one. And yeah, Missguided. I bought it in Zalando, the petite side. So it's small, UK small, US small, AU small, Australia small. So remove this tag. There's no returning me. I'm yours forever. Yes, you're mine. You're not going anywhere. So I can't wait to show you guys on. I'm going to show you, and then you can see how it sits on me. Yes, guys, I went to Zalando, and I usually like to buy my shoes in Anfield because they're very comfortable. And nowadays I'm into middle heels, like not so high heels. So I saw these shoes from Anfield and I bought it. So I've already put it on, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. It's so cute. So this is how it looks like. Let me just put it here on top of my laptop. So this is how it looks like, and it has this kind of fake diamond, I don't know, and this is how it looks, and it's very, very nice. I really do love it. I've worn it once, like I went out with friends for a drink, and it's very comfortable. I really, really do love it. So they have this kind of a silver detail, and yeah, I just think it's very cute, and the heel is very comfortable because it's not that high. And this is in dark blue or something. Yeah, it was in dark blue. This is not black, it's kind of dark blue. So yes, so I got this from Anfield, and yeah, I'm so happy with it. Yes, so I'll put a picture here to show you how it looks on my feet, so you can see how they look on. So yes, that's what I bought from Zalando, Anfield, and
let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
so guys, I bought a ring light. I don't want to show you the other side. I bought a ring light from bol.com, bol.com, and I haven't opened it. It's like 3 days now, and I haven't opened and see what is inside. So let me open it, and then we see what kind of ring light I have in here. So yeah, guys, I have it here, and I'm going just to open. I haven't opened it, and it's so well packed, so I'm just going to use this knife and open it with you guys, so I can see what I have in here. It's really packed, well packed. So yeah, it's opening, and so in here we have a stand, just a small one like that, because I wanted just the ring light to use in my office because I have the big lights. So this one is very nice, though I have a stand also, so it's not a big deal when I want a longer stand. But this is how this one looks like. So this came with this. So let's see, they have inside here. So voila, this is how the ring light came, as you can see, guys. So this is the book, I think the instruction book, yeah, and as you can see there, and also it's just instruction on what to do and how to fix it, because it's a Bluetooth one. Use Bluetooth on this, so that's that. And then we have this one. It's like the thing you put here, you connect here, and then you put the camera. And then we have this one for holding the camera itself, your phone or your camera. And this is how it looks like. And you can move it how you want it, and then it stretches, so that's a plus. And then here is the remote. They also have a remote, so let's open this remote and see. So they have a remote here. So this is for the camera, and I think this one too. So I have to learn how it's working, then I'll show you guys how that will be working when I fix it together. And this is the ring light itself. So this is how the ring light looks like. Let me go put it here. So this is how the ring light looks. And then you have the USB where you fix the light in, and then where you put into the light. And then you have this, the type of lights that you want. If you want the green, the light red, if you want it more lighter, more yellow, more whatever, it's all here. And here is the on and off button. So yes, so let's we are gonna put it up together. I'm going to put it up, and then I'll show you guys how it works. So these are the type of lights. It has like 3. You can see there. So you can put light or whatever it is. I don't know. I'm going to put it, and you can also connect it. You can also connect it on your computer. on your laptop, on your whatever, all this. So we're gonna see how it's going to work. And here it's just instructions for what you have to do right there. So, and this is how you connect the Bluetooth with your phone, so everything is just in here. It's wireless. What are they saying? Let me read it for you. Instruction manual, and then they have how you fix it. They show here all types of the light and how you fix it. And yeah, they just have the dear customer, thank for purchasing our product. We always purchase high quality product, competitive price and good customer service, and offer you a perfect shopping experience. Any question, you can contact us directly. So they give you their contact down here, so in case of anything you can contact them direct. And this is a 10-inch desktop photography ring light. So it's a 10-inch. It's just yeah, I thought it was a little bit smaller, but it's 10-inch, so that's how it looks. It's big. So yes, and here you can see it's just when you set it up, and these are the instruction on how you can use everything in there. Yeah, so I'm so excited, and these are the parts. So I'm so excited to show you guys how it's going to. So when I put it up, I'll show you guys how it's going to work. So guys, I fixed my my ring light, and I used my stand, like this one. How do you call it? The pod, because this is what they had, but this is so unstable, and it's nothing. This one, you can't use this one to fix the, yeah, it's not something stable. So I just use my usual one that I usually use for my camera, and yeah, it's working so nice. And then it has here the plus, here it's on, and then you can lighten it up. It has three lights, the white and the middle, the yellow one, and the red one. So yeah, and then here you can if you want to reduce the light, if you want to add it, and it's working nicely. So I really do like how it works. And then it has here where you put the phone. So if you want to put the phone sideways, if you want to put the phone straight, you can just put it, or you can just if you want to put the phone the other way around, you can just put it no matter how you want it. Like, you can just play with this. You see, you can just adjust it how you want it. And yeah, so that's how it looks like right there. And I'm busy now cleaning my office here, my slash vanity, so I can go on. So yeah, apart from this, the pod, yeah, I think it's fine. But this one is nothing. This one is it's not even stable, and it's yeah, it's nothing. This the pod which came with this one. So yes guys, that's how it looks like. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave me a comment what you think about my video. And I'll see you on my next video, and be blessed. Be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. And yeah, mwah. Bye guys.